up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a vlog day. Guys, don't mind the way I look right now. It's like 5:53 in the morning. I'm about to go see a client for 6:15, but I wanted to start my day off very genuine and show you guys, you know, what it's like as like a makeup artist on a regular day. I'm also getting ready to go to Jamaica next week, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me to get beautified, because as you can see, I look hit right now. Like, my hair is washed underneath this headband wig, so it's ready for the style that I'm about to get. But I think I'm gonna show you guys the style that I'm gonna get, you know, at another time, because I do have to go right now. But I'm getting my hair done, I'm getting my nails done. As you can see, my nails are hit. I just look hit, guys, but don't worry, by the end of this vlog, I'm gonna be Jamaica ready, okay? All right, guys, I'm about to get some Wawa because I just realized that I'm freaking starving. So, I'm at Wawa. Makeup bag back there. She wanted me to do her hair too, so we're gonna be installing a closure today as well, so wish me luck on that. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so I am now at my nail appointment. As you guys could see, I slayed my client's makeup. I actually know her, I haven't seen her in a while, so we were talking and stuff. So I didn't really record like when I was actually doing the makeup, but she loved her makeup, and I actually did her hair too because she had an emergency thing with her hairstylist. So I did her hair. And mind you, I don't do hair, guys. I don't do hair. Don't book me for hair. I just did that because I know her and she needed like the help, so that's really it. I'm at my nail appointment. Let me show you guys what I'm actually getting, or what I plan on getting. Okay, so I plan on getting this. It's like a French nail with pink at the tips. It's so cute. So hopefully she could be able to do that. I think she should be, because she's really nice. What'd you say? Yeah, like when I get my hair done later, I'm gonna like vlog a little bit, just like little clips. Guys, so these are my nails. Super cute. Oh my god, she did such a good job. Let me show you guys outside. Ooh, cute. Super cute. Guys, these are Jamaica nails. Period. Now I'm about to go get something to eat because I'm starving. And then we're gonna be off to the hair appointment. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm at my hair appointment, looking crazy. But don't mind, like I said. I keep saying that, but yeah, my hair looks crazy right now. So the girl who's doing my hair, she said that the 2 bundles that I got, these are the bundles that I got. By the way, I got this from my friend's hair company. Her hair company is called Juicy Bundles. I got these 2 bundles and she said that they weren't gonna be enough to make it look like the full look that I wanted. So I have a headband wig. I have a headband wig right here, and she said that she was gonna add, like, wash it and stuff, and sew this in with the rest of the hair. So we're gonna see how this goes. I really didn't want to do that. Like, I wanted to use all of the regular bundles that I had, but it's Jamaica. Like, I have to look cute, so I guess we're gonna have to do that. But she gonna hook me up. So right now she went to the store to get like the special conditioner for the hair, so she's definitely gonna make sure that I'm good. But yeah, I'm just waiting for her. If you guys are enjoying this vlog, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe down below while you're here. And I'm probably gonna show you some clips as I'm getting my hair done. So this is how my hair is turning out. Busy. Period. I'm gonna be ready for Jamaica. Make sure you follow Style by K.co. Yes. Follow her on Instagram because she is lit. Like, look at my hair. I am beach ready. I'm Jamaica ready. Everything.
Island, yeah.
Period. So I'm gonna show you guys once I'm finished. Bye.
I just changed. It just was a forget. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let.
Hey guys, so today is the next day. It is raining outside. It's a rainy day today, but it's fine. We still have to get things done. I have to get my toes done today. My hair is done, nails are done, check. And I also do have to get my eyebrows done because they look a little bushy. So we're gonna get that groomed as well. Let me think, I have to run to the bank and do a few other things. So I'm gonna be taking you along with me. Yeah, I'm starving, so I think I'm about to go get some doubles real quick or something. Like, I need something to eat, like, quick. So I'm gonna get some doubles and probably head to the bank and the nail salon. So all right guys, so I know I said earlier that I was gonna get a doubles, and I don't think I explained what a doubles is, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I got. A doubles is a, I don't know what this is, but it's from my country. I'm from Trinidad. I was born here, but my family is Trinidadian. And this is what a doubles looks like. Ooh. It has like 2 pieces of dough, and then in the middle is like chana. Ooh, they hooked me up good. They gave me 2 little, ooh, they gave me 3. It's 1 right here, 2, 3. So inside is like some chana, and it's seasoned really well with pepper sauce and tamarind sauce and everything, and it's just, I'm like, it's just so good, guys. Like, it's so freaking good. I'm about to try it. I'm about to taste it for you guys so you can see. It's nice and hot. Mmm. 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 This is so good. But this is just a little snack before I get my toes done because I'm starving. Mmm. I also got a red Solo because duh. Sneakers on because I'm getting gel on my toes, so wearing sneakers. Wow, so pretty. I think I'm gonna get white on my toes. Final step is my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here after my eyebrows. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
And I won't let it fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay.
It's nice. Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
And I won't let it fall through.